Alright, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make paint jobs, and I'm gonna have more clips coming up if you guys want more of this. Subscribe if you're new to the channel that you play World War II as well. I do good stuff here, fun content for my viewers. I do this for fun, I don't do it for money. Just remember that. Um, this is how you're gonna craft a paint job. This is gonna be the Pornhub intro. Don't report me, please. I was doing it for fun. And it's just something funny that it's just like to mess around with. But like it's pretty cool after all, and if you like enjoy it for more. Alright, so you're gonna have the square and then have color black in the combat shotgun. This is the left side of the gun. Boom. Okay, you're supposed to put it black. But originally I put it gray even though it's black. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put the letter PORN, then put a square with orange, and then put black colors putting HUB. And then the right side you can do whatever you want, but at least have the black and orange thing without the letters. So it like blends in. Like the gun looks like a little camo thing. And it's even gonna look better because I have gold on my gun, so it's gonna look beautiful.